Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about how to create a YouTube channel. So in case you have a browser like Google Chrome, then we shall use the Google Chrome for now. But in case you have any other browser, it works the same way. So we shall start with opening the Google Chrome. This may take a while. So in case you don't have any account on your computer, you can add any other account, like a Google account for example. So then we sign in case you don't have an account on the computer, so we sign in. So here you're required to input your email account or phone number. So for this case, we are going to put our email account. So in case you're done inserting your email account, then you can continue next. So after you have inserted in your password, Google Chrome will require you to enter your password. So we shall enter the password. So after inserting your password, your email automatically turns on. So shall just skip this. So now after opening Google Chrome officially, then you are supposed to type in YouTube. Because I'm sure most PCs don't have YouTube as an independent app on most of them. So we shall just type in YouTube so that we may be able to log into. So we shall go to youtube.com. This may take a little while. So after opening YouTube via Google, then for now we are going to try opening up, like creating our own channel on YouTube, in case you don't have any. But in case you have, you can also create another channel. So we are going to create our own YouTube channel for now. Just click the U button and it brings. In case you want to create another channel, so after clicking on the U button, it will bring for you your profile, your YouTube profile that you registered with, like your Gmail account. So it will be around this position. So it will give you options of create channel. As for me, I already created a channel, so it doesn't bring for me. But for you, you just have to click around here. After clicking the U button from here, and then it will bring for you an option of creating a channel. So you click on it. After clicking on it, it will give you options. So after clicking on the U button, then you come and click an area here. It will give you options of creating a channel. So you will have to click on it. As for now, I already have a YouTube channel. So you'll have to just click on that area. Sorry. So it will give you options of the name, the kind of name that you want, and then your social media handle. Then after that, it will give you also a space for photos. You can choose any other photo that you want. Then after that, you have created your channel. Thank you very much for viewing my channel. Thank you very much for viewing the videos. You can like, share, and comment for more improvements on the video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos on Google Apps. Thank you very much. Bye.